Email marketing can be an effective way for nonprofit organizations to reach their supporters and promote their causes. Here are some tips on how to get started with email marketing for your nonprofit. Build your email list. The first step in email marketing is to build a list of people who are interested in your cause. You can do this by collecting email addresses at events, on your website, or through social media. Make sure to get permission before adding anyone to your list. Create compelling content. The key to successful email marketing is to create content that is engaging and relevant to your audience. Think about what your supporters are interested in and tailor your messages accordingly. You can also segment your list based on factors such as location or past donations to make sure you're sending the right messages to the right people. Use a professional email marketing service. While you can use a regular email client to send newsletters, a professional email marketing service will give you more features and help you ensure that your emails are delivered to your supporters' inboxes. Some popular options include MailChimp and Constant Contact. Design your emails for mobile. Many people access their emails on their smartphones, so it's important to design your emails with mobile users in mind. This means using a single column layout and larger text to make your emails easy to read on small screens. And optimize. Don't be afraid to experiment with different subject lines, content, and calls to action to see what works best. Use A/B testing to compare the results of different versions of your emails and make changes based on what you learn. By following these tips, you can create effective email marketing campaigns that help promote your nonprofit and engage your supporters.